you may find the title of this video a little weird. The world is on the verge of World War III and there is a great loss for all the students. There is great loss of jobs, great loss of lives, great loss for all the people living in this world. Now you must be thinking World War III कहाँ से आ गया? World War II तक हमने हिस्ट्री बुक्स में पढ़ा है. रिसेंटली अभी बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशन, हिस्ट्री का आपका बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशन. सो कुछ दिन पहले आपने बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशन दिया था, few months ago. You have given your board examinations and in your history books you have studied about First World War, Second World War. अब ये World War III कहाँ से आ गया? So guys, आज की इस वीडियो में हम इसी के बारे में डिस्कस करने वाले हैं. So friends, do watch this video till the end. And if you find this video helpful, then do not forget to like and do share this video with your friends. So let us begin. Well, I said World War III. It is actually China's silent war which is fought using COVID-19 to conquer and rule this world. Well, so guys, आपने हिस्ट्री बुक्स में पढ़ा होगा फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर के बारे में, सेकंड वर्ल्ड वॉर के बारे में. तो फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर इट वाज फॉट एक्चुअली बिटवीन 1914 to 1918 and after First World War, it caused a great loss of lives and it was one of the deadliest war in the history. After that, there was a second war which broke out, which was the Second World War, and it was fought between 1939 to 1945. And this was again a deadliest war in the history. And there were few nations, few countries which were there, which comes under the Axis and the Allies power. Now after this, now we are facing World War III. So guys, with the outbreak of this COVID-19, we see that the world it is getting destroyed. There is loss of lives and it is spreading like anything and there is no control over it. And we see that the number of COVID-19 cases in India also it is harming to such an extent that all schools and colleges are closed. Everything is closed. All shops are closed and we are facing lockdown 4.0 at this particular time and there is a huge destruction. And at the same time, we see that China has virtually launched this World War III. And in the First World War, Second World War, we have read about weapons, use of various nuclear bombs, and then there is use of missiles. So this time there is no use of such weapons, no use of such missiles, no use of nuclear bombs. Rather, it is a virus which is destroying the entire world, and it is actually World War III which is virtually launched by China using this COVID-19 pandemic. Well, so guys, after 75 years of Second World War, World War III has started and this is actually a silent war, and here the weapon which is used is a virus. And at the same time, we see that this virus has also affected many rich and developed countries like America, Spain, Italy, Germany. So all these countries, they have also, the people of these countries also they are affected, and at the same time we see that China is leading the world, and at the same time it is taking opportunity, taking advantage of this and taking opportunity to invest in the world, and at the same time it is buying big companies at smaller prices, at a cheaper rate, and at the same time there is not only loss of lives. We see that many countries due to this COVID-19 pandemic, due to this crisis, they are facing shortage of food, and at the same time they are facing shortage of food, there is loss of jobs, and it is not only a short-term loss, rather it is a long-term loss. And at the same time we see that the number of COVID-19 cases also it is increasing in India also to such an extent that now it is going to hit around 1 lakh people, 1 lakh cases. So this is a huge number, huge loss of lives, and we see that it is also harming the country's economy. So the country's economy is going down, and at the same time we see that there is loss of jobs and also a great loss for all the students. बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशन जो कि आज तक कभी डिले नहीं हुआ, बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशन जो कि आज तक कभी पोस्टपोन नहीं हुआ, we see that it has been more than a month until now the board examinations for the remaining subjects they are not conducted, and this is only due to this situation, due to this COVID-19 pandemic, that even the council cannot take any decision regarding the board examinations. But now CBSE has declared the board examinations date sheet for the remaining subjects, so it is quite obvious that ICC will also follow the same, and they are also going to release the date sheet soon, and it is quite obvious that the exams they are going to be conducted. But there is a huge loss because already there is so much of delay. At the same time उसके बाद board examinations conduct होगा, उसके बाद आपका results आएगा, और साथ ही साथ उसके बाद new session जो कि आपका class 11 का new session है वो भी बहुत delay हो जाएगा, maybe in the month of August, or it can also extend to September. So this is a huge loss for all the students, and not only for the students but there is loss for the entire world, for all the people who are living in this world. So guys, what's your opinion regarding this, and what's your opinion regarding this silent World War III, which is actually a virtual war which is fought by China using this COVID-19 pandemic? So what's your opinion regarding this? Do write to us in the comment section. So friends, this was the video. Thanks for watching this video, and if you like this video then please do give the thumbs up button and subscribe our channel Mastermind. Thank you.